welcome to another episode of Student Meals. So today we're going to make Indonesian coconut meatballs. This is actually a recipe that my grandmother always makes during Christmas time, and it's like the most popular dish at the Christmas table, and today I'm going to make it for you. So I hope you enjoy this episode. The ingredients are 500 grams of minced meat, 250 grams of coconut powder, a handful of chopped parsley, 1 egg, 1 clove of pressed garlic, some cardamom powder, and finally some salt and some pepper. And of course, we're going to fry our meatballs in olive oil. Let's do this! Alright, so the first step, of course, is to prepare the meat. Take a large mixing bowl and add the minced meat in there. Add the egg. I'm also already going to add the pressed garlic together with a bit of parsley, about half of this amount. And I'm also already going to season it with the pepper, the salt, and about a teaspoon of cardamom. Alright, so now we're going to start kneading. Now my fingernails are pretty long and I don't like the feeling of the minced meat going underneath my nails, so I'm just going to wear some gloves which are also very hygienic and clean. So you really just want to mix everything up. Alright, now once you gave it a good knead, we're going to start adding the coconut powder. So I'm just going to add a bit. And I'm going to add gradually because I still want the consistency to be firm, not too mushy. So it's really all about the texture and weighing it off, trying, combining, kneading. I love the smell. Right, gonna add some more. It also kind of depends how much you want the coconut to be like present in your meatballs. If you want it to be a subtle hint of coconut, you don't add that much. I'm just going to add a bit more, and I would say I am not going to add the last 100 grams because I think this will be good, and this is really a very good workout as well. So now I'm just going to add all the rest of my parsley and mix it all through because I like the parsley to be in all the coconut balls. I keep saying it and it sounds so wrong. Coconut balls. Coconut flavored balls. Coconut flavored minced meat. Probably better. So we can start rolling some balls. Take a small amount of the mixture and roll it into a little ball because that way they cook through all the way without burning. If you want bigger balls, feel free to make them, but I personally think that it's more difficult to fry them because they tend to get burned faster. And continue this process until all of your minced meat is rolled into little balls. Alright, I'm all done with rolling the coconut meatballs. Now let's fry these balls. Take a frying pan and add some olive oil. When it's hot, add the meatballs, and we're going to fry these on a low fire until they're completely fried and golden brown. So I am going to fry them in 2 batches because I want some space left between the balls. So just a little tip, I'm going to cover the pan with some aluminum foil, or you can cover it with a lid. And this will make sure that the balls will be completely fried and not still pink on the inside. Alrighty, as you can see, I fried them until they're golden brown. I'm just going to let them drain on some kitchen paper because I want all the excess oil to be removed. And when that's done, it'll be time for me to fry the second batch. Do mind you guys, if you're going to fry your second batch, make sure you clean out your pan first and then just start over completely fresh. And here you have the final result. These are actually delicious with rice, but also with potatoes, with pasta, so you can really be creative and combine them with everything you like. Now this recipe will feed about 5 to 6 people, so let's taste it. Time for taste test. For me, this is like a flash forward to Christmas. I'm already seeing myself sitting at the Christmas table and eating this. This is so delicious. They turned out great. You can really taste the coconut without it being like too overpowering. I can imagine also this being very, very, very delicious with peanut sauce. I mean, I think that would be a great combination, but just the meatballs like this are great as well. So thank you guys for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!